Good afternoon. Myself, Ashok Singh Gaur, Assistant Professor in Rama University, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. The topic is embedded system. What is the embedded system? Actually, when we combine a software with the hardware resources and want to perform some particular task, particular functionality, then we use embedded type of system. Generally, our daily life, we use number of embedded system, washing machines, clock, with a hardware and software. Okay. So, first I want to discuss the RTOS. What is the RTOS actually? Real time operating system. Real time operating system. What is the RTOS? Real time operating system. Basically, operating system. Towards OS is also OS. What is the OS? First we want to define the OS. Operating system. Actually, without OS, we can't perform anything in a computer machine. So, this is a very important thing. That means it is an interface actually, like a bridge between user and hardware machine. Suppose we want to purchase a assembled desktop, but vendor not given a operating system. So, newly machine can't perform any task. So, it is a platform for running different type of applications, different type of tasks, commands given by the user. Basically, just a simple figure. Suppose this is a user and this is a hardware machine. Simple computer, suppose. So, there is a interface between, there is a gap between fulfilled by OS, operating system. Very important task. Generally, in it happen in practical scenario also. In daily life, when suppose relating to a particular task, when we go to any restaurant, so we not directly just order to the cook. So, basically, what is the mediator actually between the customer and cook? Waiter. We go to restaurant, order to talk to waiter, what we want to serve. So, this command, this order, waiter pass to the cook. So, cook means hardware machine here. Perform the facility, means cook making some ordered food, and then again he respond to the waiter, not directly to the customer. So, waiter again serve the cooked food to the customer. So, there is a two things and there is a mediator. Waiter is a mediator. So, waiter is, suppose here is the OS. Okay. So, come to the topic, operating system, real time operating system. This is the actually general purpose operating system. We can also task general purpose operating system. GPS. Okay. As the name shows, real time operating system. When number of process want to access the resource within a certain deadline, within a fixed constraint, then we use the real time operating system, RTOS. In industry, critical medical machines, in research, we use the real time operating system because there is a fixed constraint. Operating system must perform within a given deadline, otherwise the result or performance or major failure will happen. Okay, why we use RTOS? Because priority based scheduling. There is a particular priority based scheduling. Scheduling means first come first serve or shortage of first, round robin type. Okay, there are different type of scheduling. The process will follow these things. So this is the priority based scheduling, means the RTOS used for which task, that is priority on the basis to fix the deadline. Focus on that process, not on the queued process. RTOS offers modular task based testing. There is a actually RTOS used for a particular task to perform the deadline on a given constraint. So, this is a task based testing, modular task based testing. RTOS is a event driven with the no time wastage. Very important. RTOS focus on the just happening the event, on the process. No wastage of time that on the pooled queued, unwasted types of event process. There are the different types of scenarios where we have to use the RTOS. Okay, come to the next types of RTOS. I am making the figure. Suppose there are the three types of RTOS. Okay, like RTOS, mainly three types: hard real time, second one is soft real time, and third one is firm real time. Firm real time. Okay. What is the hard real time OS? These type of RTOS in which there is a fixed constraint in fraction of the second. delay not accepted, delay not accepted in any condition. Fractions of the second the event must be completed. What the constraint, what the need of the actual scenario? Suppose flight controlling system, this is the fixed structure, at that time this task will happen, so it must be happen. Okay. Soft real time OS, delay accepted but fraction of time, delay accepted but fraction of time. Okay, suppose there is a not a suppose maybe a deadline, there is a some delay accepted, so not a major failure, there will be no such type of accidental failure that will happen. Weather reporting systems, some compilation process like online transaction system, there may be some fractions of the time delay accepted. Soft real time OS, online like online transaction system. Firm real time, third one. In this type of RTOS, if the task not completed on the given constraint or the deadline, then major failure not occur, but the quality or the result may be degraded. Which type of things? Like multimedia applications, the quality or the result performance will be degraded in firm real type OS. Okay. So, hard real time system, soft real time system and firm real time system. These are the three basic types of RTOS. Okay. So, pros and cons also of the RTOS, advantage, so disadvantages also in RTOS. So, suppose what the advantage of the RTOS? Complete the task within the given deadline, given constraint. And also less switching, perform the particular task, focus on the particular task, that on the priority basis, not focus on the queued process, no wastage of just time, because this is the real time operating, not a general purpose operating system like Windows or something. So, also as an advantage point of view, RTOS consumes less memory. Basically, the things just like a ROM, we program for a particular task and use the with a certain deadline as a memory resource. And RTOS on the other end also use the maximum resource utilization. Okay, these are the some points which you can use as a RTOS. Okay, thank you very much. Have a very great day.